Hi, I'm Denika and I'm here today with bareMinerals to show you guys how to get a natural, effortless, beautiful brow. So when you're filling in your brows, it's really important that you find the right tools and products that are gonna work well for your particular brow. Sabrina here has got really beautiful full brows, but I think it would be nice just to kind of enhance them a little bit. So what I'm gonna use is the bareMinerals Brow Master. This one's really, really great. It's got the pencil, roll-up pencil on one side and the grooming brush on the other, the spoolie. We're gonna start with the spoolie side and we're gonna just brush the hairs upwards. And this is just a good way to kind of guide where you're gonna want to add any sort of color. So I'm just gonna go a few times over just to make sure we comb everything upwards. And I'm gonna turn it around and start to use the roll-up side. And in this particular color, it is coffee, and it's gonna give just a nice warmth fill-in in the areas that it needs. And what's great about these pencils is that they are made with mineral pigments. They are smudge resistant and water resistant. What I like to do is go in brush strokes, going from the root and upwards to not have any harsh lines starting from the top. You want the top of the brow to stay the fluffiest. So what I like to do is take the side of the pencil and just slowly start to almost do little flicks in between. And this is just gonna slowly fill in the areas that feel a little bit sparse. And it's not gonna be excessively bold because I'm using just the side of the pencil. And so as I go through, I can decide if I wanna kind of go up higher to create fake hairs that kind of look like they're going a little bit fuller and taller. Or I can also just fill in the root to create darkness and fullness just at the base of the brow. And so what I like to do after I've filled in most of the area is I like to comb it through, and this will kind of push the product through the hairs as well. So if there are any fine lines, this is a good opportunity to kind of just buff them out with the brush. So now that we have one full brow, I'm gonna go ahead and work on Sabrina's second brow. And depending on your comfort, some people like to start in the fronts like I do so. Some people like to start in the ends. I feel like if you're gonna apply any sort of color, it's nice to go in an area that's not so sparse so that if you do have any mistakes, it's easier to clean it up. So I'm just gonna continue to brush and to shape. All right, perfect. So I'm gonna just groom them up one last time, make sure I've got everything that I like. So this is just with the Brow Master. What I'm gonna do now is go over it with a clear brow gel from the Strength and Length collection. It's got a really beautiful angle on the edge of the applicator, which gets to the root of the hairs really, really well. So you're able to kind of get in there and really, really get them up. You'll see 100% fuller brows within 8 weeks of using this product, which is incredible. Voila, beautiful, full brows. I'm Denika, and thank you so much for joining Sabrina and I on a really great and fun way to do your brows.